Editing the header in Shopify is essential for creating a cohesive and branded online store. Here's how to do it. Access Theme Customization. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Online Store Themes. Click on the Customize button for the theme you want to edit. Navigate to Header Settings. Once in the Theme Customization interface, look for options related to the header. This may vary depending on the theme you're using, but typically you'll find header settings under the Header or Header and Navigation section. Customize header layout. Depending on your theme, you can usually customize elements such as logo placement, menu style, navigation links, and header background color. Some themes also offer options for adding promotional banners or buttons to the header. Adjust mobile responsiveness. Ensure that your header looks good on mobile devices by previewing and adjusting the layout for smaller screens. Most Shopify themes have built-in responsiveness, but it's essential to double-check. Preview changes. As you make edits, preview how your header looks in real time. This allows you to see how your changes will appear to visitors before publishing them live. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click the Save button to apply them to your store.